Hello guys, welcome to Powerful Trade. Today we are going to look at the upcoming Nifty week analysis that is on 19th, 16th January expiry. So we will study one by one like as per our standard pointers. So first we will look at the price action. So basically we will look at the weekly candlestick, how the support and resistance are getting formed and what is the trend, and then we will come back. So we'll go look into the chart. So if you look into the chart, actually what is happening is like this month low, which was there on the first week of January, that is around 460 got broken now. So if it is like getting broken, so where we can take the next support, we are just looking into it. So the last low was like 23 264. So like from there onwards, we may be getting some support for Nifty. So that is the reason. So a support zone has been drawn here, and I am expecting 23 to 23 200 level may act as a support region, and then post which like if you see the resistance earlier, I have put about 24,200. So now our resistance is now on this zone, that is like 23,750 onwards to 950. So this is our resistance zone now, because like you can find continuously one resistance here, one resistance here, and one more resistance here. So continuously as our trading zone is moved down, so I am expecting this as a support zone and this as a resistance zone. And if you look at the uh, chart in a longer time frame, like we try to go up, but then once again seller were active and then we are going down. So now this support zone what we are talking about should act as a major support for this month. So that is what we are expecting. So now let us look into the second pointer, that is India VIX. So basically we will try to find how is the India VIX. So if you look at the India VIX, like we are once again trading between something like 14 to 15. So like it is in the sideways. So like we are not like volatility is there, and we are not too much volatile. At the same time, we are not low volatile also. That is what VIX is telling. So next we will look at the next pointer, that is what is overall market direction. See, as of now, if you see the price action, so higher levels are not able to sustain continuously, so we are falling. So this should act as a major support, and it is a previous month low also is there. So last month low, once again we are coming. So let's see how we are going, and then most probably we are expecting this support may act as a good support for this month. So next we will look into the next data, that is OA data. So we will look into the OA data, that is basically like this week, that is 16th January, how people are positioning themselves for this expiry. If you look at the support, yeah, support is there at 23,000 put. So you can see here 23,000 put is only the highest. So people are not willing to write any of this in between number. So market is expected to maybe break this level, which we created earlier. So that is what we are expecting, because clearly OA data is showing that that support is not like support is near 23 only. So no one is willing to write even 23 200 or 100. So to 23 only people have written, okay. And we could find some start straddle in the 23 500 level also, and resistance is there at 23 800. So this is what this week plot. So same thing when you see in the chart also, like we are writing somewhere around 800 is a resistance, and 23, this is the zone our people have written. So our support and the resistance zone also matching with the OA data. So this will act as a support, and this will be acting as a your resistance. So coming to the next pointer, so we will see how straddle premiums are going. So if you look at the straddle premium, actually yesterday the market on Friday the continuously straddle premium was down only, and then we have started around 390. Now we have ended up around 300. So it is once again not indicating very big move and all. Okay, so straddle premium is normal, and we will go into the next parameter, that is institution future data. So if you look at the institution future data, so you can clearly see now DA is going in bullish side and the FA is going in bearish side. So once again, this looks a mixed view only. So that is what we could see for this week. And then one more interesting data we want to show, that is what is FA short position. So if you look at last month low, okay, that were around somewhere around 19th, okay, 19th plus or minus 2 3 days you can take. So we will look at the same data. 19th, if you see, like 19th, see, if you see this region, the highest short were there at 18th. Okay, that is where we took a bottom. Okay, if you see 14th to uh, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 14th to this 3 days, if you see, we were having the highest short, that is like somewhere around 2.2 lakhs, 2.2 lakhs. Okay, 2.2 lakhs is the short. That is where we took a bottom. So if you look at this data now, we are more than that. That short is now much more than last time. It is now we are heading towards 2.7 or 2.8 lakh, actually 2.8 lakh. We are going. The shorts are much higher than the previous month bottom when we made. That short is lower than this. So most probably we are expecting the bottom is very near. Okay, so because their shorts are very high, so once they start booking the shorts, so we will be moving upward. Okay, so now we will look into the uh, next parameter, like and we are in the similar low, almost we are in the similar low, and the shorts are very high now. Okay, so we will expecting, we are expecting this like 200 300 point away only our bottom is there. So we will just see how this week goes. Okay, then we will look into the next data, that is global market. So global market, if I see Dow Jones actually was correcting from 45 to now we have come to 42. So it is about 3000 point fall. But this 3000 point fall, if you look at it, no, actually the 3000 point fall is basically, I can say something like this. It is like around corrected about 6 to 7% only. But our market has already corrected 10%. So I am not expecting very big down move, and then considering all other data also. And second thing, if you look at the Dow Zone also, there is a support near 42. So most probably they also may take a support near 42. So that is what our observation. So next is we will just look into the next parameter. Before going to the conclusion, I want to show you another two data. That is what are the results are there, because this is the result month. So we will look into the results. So HCL result is coming. Then after that, any other major results. So we are finding, yeah, one more is there. That is Infosys on 16th. Okay. Then any other results for this? So we are finding these two are there in the, and Reliance is also there. So 16th we have a results. So we will just look into how it goes. Okay, these are the three main Nifty stocks which is getting result on this within this expiry. So next one more factor we want to show is what is the market mood actually right now. If you see, people are in extreme fear. Okay, so generally market makes bottom near extreme fear. So we are near once again, yeah, short term bottom. That is what we could see once again. So now we will look into the conclusion. So we have seen multiple parameter. Now based on this parameter, now we will see what is the trading ideas and then conclusion for this week. See, generally, now we are finding something like this. So support is resistance is here and support is here. So I am expecting market to trade in this zone, between this zone, okay, between this zone, and then even if it bounce, any first time bounce to the resistance will be sold off. So bottom formation is something like this. I'm expecting. See, generally when bottom is forming, there may be some kind of price action like this. We will go near resistance, then we will be falling to this and then coming up. So generally we will not just straight away we will go up. So first one bottom will form up and then try to go to the resistance. Then there will be a fall and then only we will move up. So basically what we are trying to expect is there is a consolidation zone between these two is only the main objective for this week actually. Okay. And okay, where is our expiry zone? So always we will try, no, we will try to say target zone. So we will just look into our target zone. So I have just made a, target zone also. So just look into our target zone. So this is our target zone. Why we are telling this zone? Because market may be making both the move and then may end up somewhere in this region. So we are expecting somewhere near 300 to 400 zone. There is a high chance we may get expired. So 300 to 400 maybe 23, 300 to 400 zone may be the higher chance of making means expiry somewhere near, and then before that we may be making zigzag pattern, and then we are expecting next 2 weeks we may be super bullish. That is what we are expecting. That is the last 2 weeks of monthly we are expecting, because once this base is formed we may be going like about 1,000 or 1,500 point upside. So that is what we are finding, or maybe already we have explained also in the monthly video. So we will be going near 25,000. That is what we are expecting, because the shots are much higher than the last time shots. FA shots are. So once they start covering the shots, so we will be moving somewhere around from the bottom. You can take somewhere around like a very big green candle possible in next 2 weeks. So we are expecting the base formation for this week. So then we will update time to time what what trading suggestion you can see is support, below support you can sell, below resistance you can sell, and most probably market is expected to trade between this zone. And we are expecting one more thing, whatever any new findings are there, we will time to time we will post in our Twitter and Telegram. So please follow our Twitter and Telegram. And additionally we I request everyone to subscribe our channel, so that will be the motivation for doing more videos to make you understand, or make you understand how we analyze the Nifty. And one more area I want to tell, that is whenever you are taking any kind of trade, please trade with proper risk management. Discipline is more important in this trading. So please trade with proper risk management, and there is no trading suggestion on this thing. So this is only for the educational purpose. Please understand this, and then understand and try to do your own analysis. That is the motto behind our video. So thank you for watching. Uh, Thank you for watching, and happy trading, and have a good day. Thank you very much.